How to get $100 promo code on Shein app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to get yourself a $100 promo code, you will have to actually launch a preferred browser in your device. In the browser, search for Coupon Follow and click on it. This is a website where you find various of deals, coupons, promo code of a certain brand. To search for a specific Shein, at the top in the search bar, search for Shein.com, or you can just type in Shein. In here, you will find various of coupons promo code that you can use. In here, you can also enter an email address and tap on Get Alerts to never miss out any of the coupon, promo code and deals. Now, tap on See Details to check out some of the details regarding the coupon code such as the benefits, expiration date and more. You can tap on any of the preferred code. You can just tap on Copy to copy the code, or to directly redeem at Shein, you can tap on Redeem at Shein, which will redirect you to the official web page of your Shein. Now to use the promo code, firstly purchase an item of your Shein website. While in the checking out process, you will see a dialog box where you can apply your promo code. Just enter the code, or the chances are the code is already available there. By this way, you will also find exclusive deals because of the code. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.